Welcome to AJ Payday Customer Service Agent position. This is a work from home position. You'll basically work for two of the most reputable telecommunications providers out there, which is DirecTV and Spectrum. These are the people that provide cable, TV service, phone, and internet service. You'll basically work from home. You'll get $50 per new sign up. So anyone that needs any of these services, you get paid for signing these people up. You know, pretty much $50 is the base pay, but it could be more or less. You are paid after your first 3 weeks. So after your first 3 weeks of starting this position, after that you're paid weekly as long as you continue to get people to sign up. There's an unlimited amount of signups you can get per week. Okay. On average, people most times get about 5 to 10 sales per day. That's giving you about $250 to $500 per day that you're making just signing people up for cable and internet services. So what you'll be doing basically is answering incoming calls. You'll be responding to job forms and submitting orders. That's what you'll do every day. You pick your own schedule. There is no set work hours, no set days. You work whenever you feel like it. You pretty much turn your system on and then you go to work. When you get incoming calls, you basically just respond to the calls and you go from there. Whenever you get the job forms, you will go from there. There's no cold calling, no chasing family members, friends, anything like that. People will contact you looking for these services. That's just the bottom line. So once they contact you, it's in your best interest to respond as soon as possible to help sign them up for service. All you are doing is assisting them and signing up for service. Once they sign up, you get paid. In order to be considered for this position, what we're asking is that you go ahead and reply to this email. You'll complete all the required information. Go ahead and sign off to everything and send it back to us. Okay, you'll send it back to us via email. We will respond to that with your marketing tools if we feel like you are a qualified candidate. You'll get the website you need and you'll just go from there. So if you're ready to begin, go ahead and follow the instructions. Thanks and God bless.